Alright, Hot Wheelers. What we got today? What we got today is the Tesla Cybertruck. Hot Wheels RC Cybertruck. Let's see what it's got. Ramp. Instructions. Controller. It's the wire you charge it up with. And truck. It's like a little beat up. Ain't much to it. Cybertruck. Put some batteries in this. Alright, some batteries in it. Charge her up. When the light turns off, it'll be charged up. We'll be back here in a minute and put her on the track. Hot Wheelers. Charged. Let's go put her on the track. Oh, we got count of approval again. Oh. Thing gets pretty fast. That's pretty cool. Alright, Hot Wheelers. Alright, Hot Wheelers. What y'all think about the Cybertruck? Pretty cool, wasn't it? Pretty fast. You can get them off Amazon about $17. Can't beat that. That's pretty good. Wonder how fast it's really going to be when we come to racing all of them. That'll be coming up next. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Check out all my other Hot Wheels RC 1/64th cars at 1/64th scale racing. Hope you like them. Like and subscribe, and Next time you see us, we'll be racing these babies. Bye.